If you could grow beautiful green plants without using a single handful of soil, no messy pots, no dirty floors, and almost no maintenance, water gardening is becoming one of the easiest and most satisfying ways to grow plants indoors. With just a glass jar, clean water, and a healthy cutting, you can turn any corner of your home into a lush green paradise. Some plants even grow faster in water than in soil. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or simply want a cleaner way to enjoy indoor plants, this method is perfect for beginners. Today, you'll discover how to grow plants in water at home step by step, the best plants for water growing, and simple tricks to keep them thriving for months or even years. Once you try it, you may never go back to traditional soil gardening again. Number 1. Choose the right plants for water growing. Not every plant grows well in water, but many popular houseplants thrive beautifully without soil. The easiest plants to start with include pothos, lucky bamboo, philodendron, spider plant, mint, basil, and peace lily. These plants naturally adapt well to water environments and grow roots quickly. Beginners should choose healthy plants with strong stems and vibrant leaves. Avoid damaged or diseased plants because they struggle to survive in water. If possible, take a fresh cutting from an existing plant. A cutting with at least one node, the small bump where roots grow, works best. Pothos is especially popular because it grows rapidly and survives in low light. Lucky bamboo is another favorite because it looks elegant in glass containers and needs very little care. Herbs like mint and basil are also excellent choices because they grow fast and can even be used in cooking. Starting with easy water-loving plants increases your success and helps you gain confidence. Once you master the basics, you can experiment with more varieties and create a stunning indoor water garden. Number 2. Pick the perfect container. The container you use can make a big difference in growing plants successfully in water. Clear glass jars, bottles, and vases are the most popular choices because they allow you to watch the roots grow. Seeing white, healthy roots spreading through the water is one of the most satisfying parts of water gardening. Choose containers with enough room for roots to expand. Narrow neck bottles help hold stems upright, while wider jars work better for multiple cuttings. Always clean the container thoroughly before use to prevent bacteria and algae buildup. Glass containers are ideal because they don't absorb chemicals and are easy to wash. However, ceramic or plastic containers can also work if they are waterproof and clean. If algae becomes a problem in clear jars, switch to colored or opaque containers to block sunlight. Decorative containers can also improve your home decor. A simple cutting in a stylish vase can brighten kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, or office desks instantly. Water-grown plants combine beauty and simplicity, making them both practical and decorative. Number 3. Take healthy plant cuttings correctly. A healthy cutting is the secret to successful water propagation. Use clean scissors or pruning shears to cut a healthy stem just below a node. The node is extremely important because this is where new roots develop. Most cuttings should be about 4 to 6 inches long. Remove leaves near the bottom of the stem so they don't sit under water and rot. Leave a few healthy leaves at the top so the plant can continue photosynthesis and stay strong while roots form. Fresh cuttings root faster than old or weak stems. Try to cut early in the morning when plants are well hydrated. If you're using herbs like basil or mint, pinch off flowers because flowering slows root growth. Place the cutting into water immediately after cutting to prevent air from entering the stem. Within days or weeks, tiny white roots will begin appearing. Watching this transformation is exciting and makes water gardening feel almost magical. Strong cuttings lead to faster root development and healthier long-term growth. Taking your time during this step greatly improves success. Number 4. Use clean water and change it regularly. Clean water is the lifeline of soil-free plant growing. Tap water usually works fine, but letting it sit overnight helps chlorine evaporate, making it safer for plants. Filtered water or rainwater can also improve plant health. Fill the container so the nodes are submerged, but the leaves remain above water. Leaves underwater often rot and create bacteria that harm the plant. Keep the water level consistent as evaporation occurs. One of the most important maintenance steps is changing the water regularly. Replace the water every 5 to 7 days to keep it fresh and oxygen-rich. Dirty water can smell bad, encourage algae growth, and damage roots. When changing water, rinse the roots gently to remove slime or buildup. Healthy roots should look white or light tan. Dark, mushy roots may indicate rot and should be trimmed away immediately. Adding fresh water consistently keeps plants healthier, prevents pests, and encourages stronger root systems. This simple habit makes a huge difference in long-term success. Number 5. Give plants the right light. Light plays a major role in helping water-grown plants stay healthy. Most indoor plants prefer bright indirect light rather than harsh direct sunlight. Too much direct sun can overheat the water and promote algae growth, while too little light slows growth. Place water-grown plants near a bright window with filtered sunlight. East-facing windows are often ideal because they provide gentle morning light. If natural light is limited, grow lights can help plants thrive indoors year-round. Different plants have different lighting needs. Pothos and philodendron tolerate low light well, while herbs like basil need brighter conditions to grow strongly. Observe your plant carefully. Yellow leaves may indicate too much light, while leggy stems suggest not enough light. Rotating the container every few days also helps plants grow evenly instead of leaning toward the light source. Good lighting encourages vibrant leaves, faster root growth, and stronger overall health. With proper light, water-grown plants can remain beautiful and lush for a very long time. Number 6. Feed plants with nutrients. Plants growing only in water eventually need nutrients because water alone doesn't contain enough minerals for long-term growth. After roots become established, adding liquid fertilizer helps plants stay green and healthy. Use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to about 1/4 strength. Too much fertilizer can burn roots and damage the plant, so less is better. Add nutrients every few weeks during active growth seasons like spring and summer. Hydroponic nutrient solutions are also excellent because they are specifically designed for water-growing plants. These solutions contain the essential minerals plants need to survive without soil. Watch your plants closely for signs of nutrient deficiency. Pale leaves, slow growth, or weak stems may indicate the plant needs feeding. Healthy plants should have vibrant leaves and steady new growth. Proper nutrition transforms simple water propagation into a long-term growing system where plants can survive beautifully for years indoors. Growing plants in water without soil is one of the easiest and most relaxing ways to bring nature into your home. It's clean, beginner-friendly, affordable, and surprisingly beautiful. With the right plants, clean water, proper lighting, and a little patience, you can create a thriving indoor water garden almost anywhere. Whether you use stylish glass jars in your kitchen or elegant vases in your living room, water-grown plants add life and freshness to every space. The best part is watching roots slowly grow and transform simple cuttings into healthy plants right before your eyes. Try it today with just one cutting, and you may discover a whole new love for indoor gardening. Don't forget to experiment with different plants and containers to create your own unique green oasis at home.